Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage McCulloch chainsaw, the 549. It does start and run when you prime that carburetor. That's a 7.95 cubic inch, 130cc motor. This was very state of the art at the time. It was 5 horse at 49 pounds. If you're looking to collect one of the very early vintage McCullochs, here's a very nice one, about 95% complete. This was made in 1950. It's got a 42-inch bar with a stinger on it. There is no chain. You're going to have to find a chain if you want to get this up and running and cut with it. It is missing the primer on it right here. The air cleaner and the air cleaner cover is here. I just took it off to prime it. It's got that add-on oiler, that canister right here. Just a pump oiler. And it comes down a tube here, up to the other side here, and then goes from here to the side cover, which oils the bar. Very large chainsaw. Inside the tank's very clean. A lot of these are really rusted and corroded out. This one's still very good. Let me turn it around so we look at the other side. Here's the transmission, and it's got a very large falling spike on it. It's huge. And this is a lever here. You trip this lever, and this whole bar transmission rotates so you can fall a tree. You can't run this on the side, so you rotate the bar. And the glass bulb is still in good shape on the carburetor. Right there, it's in great shape. And the guy I got this off of had an unopened can of the old McCulloch oil, and that does come with this chainsaw. It's full of oil, unopened. And there's what the controls look like. Thumb control, and then there's a hand control. Kill switch right here. It's in very good shape for 1950. Here's a super buy on one of those vintage McCullochs.